This is my first video on the Mansion Doll channel, and I'm going to be toy reviewing a Bugatti. Hello guys, my name is Salif. This is my first video on the Mansion Doll channel, and today I'm going to toy review since my sisters like to toy review their own things, dolls. Shazam! This is one of my toy Bugattis, and yes, we are going to be opening this in this video. So let's get started. Shazam! This is one of my toy Bugattis, and this is my favorite car. It has the blue rims, not blue, silver, and black, and it's actually remote controlled with the battery. And yeah, we have some batteries, of course, and it looks great. And the wheels are actually silver, like the sides. And as you can see, there's like the symbol on the front. You should see. It's right there. Alright. Shazam! This is a toy Bugatti. It's remotely controlled. As you can see, this is silver. This is silver. That's why I really like it in the back. And there's a symbol, and it is full function radio controlled. And it has a battery included, but and of course we have some. And it's my favorite car. And we are actually going to be opening this in the video, and it's gonna be fantastic. Shazam! This is a toy Bugatti. It's remotely controlled. It has a battery. This part is silver. So are the wheels in the black part. And there's a symbol right there. It is full function radio controlled. And yeah, as you can see, these are how you move it. And that's how you go left and right steer. That's how you drive up and back. And that's how you mute and start. And that's the horn. Oh, it actually has a horn. It's include batteries charge, and of course we have batteries, and it's actually my favorite car. Let me show you the front. I hope you like it. And that was the horn button. And yeah, let's see. Oh, we need the batteries for the moving part. This is the horn button, and the front lights light up as well as the black lights, and then we'll tap the mute start button after the horn button. And yeah, it sounds good so far. I got it. This actually holds for a longer time than the horn button does. Finally, we're gonna unbox the toy supplies. Finally, we're gonna unbox the toy Bugatti, and I hope I like it as well as you do.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Sophia's Mansion Doll channel. It's me, Kalia, and I'm here with my little brother Salif. Today we are reviewing the Bugatti, and we already unboxed it, and we just wanted to show you guys some cool pieces and features that comes with the Bugatti. And take it away, Salif.
This is actually blue. It's not black, and it came with batteries. The
batteries part is right there. That's one I was trying to show you. Hello guys, and welcome back to Sophia's Mansion Doll channel. It's me, Kalia, and I'm here with my little brother Salif, and today we are going to be reviewing you guys the Bugatti. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe button. And about this Bugatti, there is a navy blue top of the car. It is not black, so we got the navy blue kind. This part is silver, as Wonkway was telling you. It even comes with a battery right here, you guys. The wheels are also silver. Yeah, take it away, Salif.
And it has a charger. It should be at the bottom, I guess.
So, as you guys can see right there, there are the batteries that you have to put inside of the charger in order for it to work. There's the controller.
Got it. There you go. Hello guys, we're back with the Bugatti, and this is how it looks unboxed, and let's just see how it goes. Okay, driving good so far. What else can go out?
Hey guys, this is pretty fast. You can do cool tricks with it, but you cannot do any flips with it. You can reverse it. There's a reverse button. You can turn it backwards and drive it. There's lights in the back. This is a pretty cool Bugatti, and as you guys know, Walkway is controlling it and showing you guys some cool things you can do with it. But once again, it says on the box that you cannot be expecting like no tricks or anything like flipping tricks. This is only like a driving toy. And you guys, you want to make sure you don't really run it into stuff too much because the battery pops out, and yeah. Sorry guys about that. It only pops out when you do not lock it. There is a lock button on it, so you hook the battery in and then you lock it on. That way if you run into something or anything like that, it doesn't fall out. Sorry guys about that. So I'm going to take it away with the cool trick.
Yeah, it's a trick.